Thursday, February 16th, 4:13 p.m. New York time. The U.S. stock market is closed. So we're going to look at the financial service sector. The S&P 500 has 11 sectors. And again, one of them being this one, the financial service sector. In the service sector, there are 8 industries. Not all sectors have the same number of industries, but this particular one, the financial service sector, has 8 industries. From top to bottom, the first one is asset management. Yes, asset management. Yeah, someone is managing people's money. The other is bank diversified. The third one is banks regional. Fourth one is capital markets. The fifth one is credit services. The sixth one is insurance diversified. The seventh one is insurance life. And the 8th is the mortgage financial. So each of those industries, we'll look at several stocks, some of the big companies in those industries. So the first here we have asset management. This is the 1-year chart. Each candle's a week. The current candle has one more trading day till this candle's done. So tomorrow at 4 p.m., this candle will be completed of data. Got it? So here, this industry, again, asset management, this company is BlackRock Incorporated, symbol Bravo Lima Kilo. Yeah. So last time I showed you it was all the way back here, had a consolidation. That was a swing high. We took it out. So here's the high of this year. Yep. Looks like a bearish pin bar, stop hunt, and then went lower. Interesting. Yep. So since interest rates have gotten raised multiple times over the last several central bank meetings, this really hasn't been impressive. No, it hasn't. Look at that. It's not as high as last year. Next, Bank of New York, Mellon. This is impressive. Since I showed you all the way from back here, it's a winner. Look at that. Constantly been making higher highs, higher lows. But now look at that current candle. Interesting. Why? Because it's red. Big tail on the top. Okay, maybe that would be the rollover. I wouldn't be buying up here yet. But it had a nice run up. Next, Blackstone. Yep. Also looked like it's already started rolling over earlier. But from the beginning of the year, had a nice run up. Invesco. I think they also have a lot of mutual funds. This is not impressive. Look at that. Since last year, it's pretty much still in that tight consolidation. Not impressive. T. Rowe Price. Yep, they manage a lot of mutual funds too. Not impressive, no. So for the beginning of the year, okay, broke out of this consolidation. A lot of volatility. Still in this tighter trading range here. Not impressive. And State Street Capital, very impressed. From last year, this consolidation, out the door, broke out, made new highs. Very impressive. So 2 of them, I would say, are winners. This one and this one. Again, this industry is the asset management. And this is the one. Bank of New York Mellon. Nice trend up. As well as this one, State Street Corporation, trending up. So those are the 2 winners. Let's go on to the next. Now we're looking at banks diversified. Apologize. So first one, JP Morgan. Yep, last year was consolidation, breakout consolidation. So here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. I'm not impressed with this one either. It looks like it's under distribution. Yeah, I wouldn't be buying here. Nope, not impressed. Next one, Bank of America. Not impressed neither. Again, it looks like it has more distribution selling occurring. And Hotel Sierra Bravo Charlie, HCBC Holdings. Okay, from the beginning of the year, it had a nice run up. Then this massive consolidation occurring here. Currently inside candle. Wells Fargo. Oof. A lot of volatility. Look at this. So when I showed this last year, this was a supply zone of sellers. When I showed it to you, look at that. Since they ran up in there, a lot of volatility from that point on. Oops, let's extend that a little bit more. There we go. And now it looks like, again, it's under distribution. Next. Citigroup. Oof, that does not look impressive neither. No, it looks like a bearish stop on here. And Royal Bank of Canada. Getting the year here was inside this consolidation, broke above it. Yep, it looks like it's under distribution here too. Interesting. On to the third one. Banks Regional. So in this industry group, we have USB, US Capital, US Bancorp. Look at that. Much more distribution looks like here. It looks like smart money selling here. Not good. No. As soon as I ran into that, I had problems. Yep. Swing high. That's it. Looks like people that bought there and waited on hands to be selling here. Not looking good. Hotel Delta Bravo. A massive consolidation here. Not impressed. Trust Financial Corporation. Oof. Yep. Looks like, again, distribution already broke below here. Not looking good. That was an interesting two move here. Tested this swing high and rejected it. PNC Financial. Oof, just massive consolidation here. Not impressed. IBN. Oof, totally distribution. Look at that. From last year there, that retest sold off new lows already. Yep, that was the high this year, trending down, not looking good. First Republic Bank of San Francisco, big reversal came early already. Yep, not impressed. So again, this financial industry, regional is not looking good. Neither it was the other one before. Wow, let's go on to the next. Okay. So the banks diversified, not impressed. Banks regional, not impressed. Looks at financial capital markets now. Morgan Stanley, beginning of the year, nice run up. Took out this supply zone. Made a new high for the year. Interesting. Let's see how this continues. If it does. Charles Schwab, oof, all over the place. Beginning the high of the new year, low of the year, and then a reversal. Very sloppy. Goldman Sachs, yeah, same thing. Not impressed. There's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Looks like, again, it's under distribution. Bank of Nova Scotia. That's a nice run up. Similar to some of the other charts I showed you. Yeah. Higher highs, higher lows for the year. But again, this looks concerning here now. Like it might be overextended. Interactive Broker. Nice new high for the year. Nice run up. That looks good. And Raymond James Financial. No, sloppy. Look at that. Massive rejection. And that was the financial capital markets being a lot of them being just brokers. And brokers managing other people's money. Kind of like asset management. Let's go on to the next. The credit card services. Visa. Oof, there's a high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Massive sell-off already occurring here. Look at that. Big wicks on the top, small bodies. That's not impressive. That looks bad. MasterCard, same thing. Looks in bad shape. PayPal. Ooh, massive consolidation here. That's what we got going on here. See if it holds the I'll take out that low of the year. Here's the low of the year, which was gapped up there. Interesting. American Express, also just shy of high. Last week was the high of the year. That's where we are now. Yep. Small little candles, big wicks on the bottom, possibly distribution coming down here. Capital One Financial already rolled over. Oof, big sell-off already occurring. Take out each of these swing lows. It's not looking good. Discovery Financial. Yep, already rolling over. Western Union, nothing impressive here. MoneyGram, nothing impressive here. And Ally Financial already rolling over. That was the credit card services. They look really troublesome. Okay, now we'll look at the financial insurance diversified. AIG, oof, already made new lows for the year, rolling over out of this consolidation, down, very bad shape. Huge impulse move down, all it did was retracement, bearish. Sun Life Financial, well, that's impressive. I wonder who's running that company. Outstanding, higher highs, higher lows, nice trend up running. You might want to look at, see who the CEOs of the company and see how creative they're doing with accounting. Interesting. The Hartford Financial Services, Hotel India Golf, not so impressive. Papa Financial Golf, Principal Financial Services, also not impressive. Just massive consolidation here. Golf Sierra Hotel Delta, yep. Struggling here still too, not looking good. Echo Quebec Hotel, new high for the year. Nice, broke out of this consolidation. That was the financial insurance diversified. Let's go to life insurance. MetLife, Mike Echo Tango. Nope, they're struggling. Couldn't even take out the highs yet. Yeah, massive consolidation there and then broke down. Not impressive. Mike Foxtrot Charlie. Oof, nice. New high for the year. Look at that. Nice trending up. Trend up, consolidation, breakout. That looks impressive. Prudential Financial. No, sloppy all over the place. Not interested. Alpha Foxtrot Lima. Yep, also struggling, not looking good. A lot of distribution occurring here. Oof, that looks terrible. Yeah. Expect that to maybe go lower. Lincoln National. Nope, not looking good. All went down since last year. These two candles here, it all looks like distribution. Papa Romeo India, impressive. Look at that, higher high, higher low. New high for the year. Again, look to see who the CEO of this company is and what he's doing to pump the dump. Is he laying people off? Is he buying back shares? Cutting dividends? What are they doing to make money that the other ones are not doing? Creative accounting. Let's go on to the last one. Mortgage financials. You might consider check your county, your state, to see how many per month Bankruptcies are occurring for companies, home foreclosures. Get the real information that the mortgage companies may not be telling you on the news, but it's public information through your courts. Rocket, Romeo Kilo Tango, Rocket Company, mortgage company. Remember, they just did an IPO a few years ago. They're already selling off hard. Here's a swing high, supply zone, tested it, rejected it. Nice. That was the opportunity to go bearish, to go short in here. Or if you were long, that was the place to be taking profits. And they have earnings soon. Earnings February 28th after the market closes. Remember, next Monday is a U.S. holiday, President's Day. The stock market's closed. Another mortgage company, Uniform Whiskey Mike Charlie. Yep. Swing high, tested it, filled. Another Papa Foxtrot Sierra India. Oof, took out that swing high. Rejected it. Let's go further back, see how that looks. There it was. That looks like that was a high of last year. Tested and rejected it. Whiskey Delta. Yep. Massive consolidation. Looking like it's more like distribution. Hotel Tango Golf Charlie. Yeah, look at that. Retest, swing high there, retest. Massive consolidation. Current candle will be interesting how that's going to close. Because it did again take out that swing high, but is it going to close above it or going to fill? And the last one, Tango Romeo Echo Echo Tree, Lending Tree. Been around for a long time. Look at that. Also, run up for the year. Small little candles, looks like dodgy distribution, smart money selling. And this has earnings too. February 27th before the market opens. Oof, a lot of these look like they're going to be filling. You know, very few winners, but I'm impressed with the ones that are winners. They're trending. Majority of them look bad. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.